What's up, guys? Welcome to United by Trucks. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be starting a new little series where we're dropping in some bonus footage that we have that we recorded while we were building UBTK5 and just generally while we were putting other trucks together and doing other things. So they're going to be short clips. There's going to be basically some overdubbing of audio from me telling you a little bit about these trucks or about what we're doing. So we're going to be trying some new things. We're going to be using a lot of still photographs, but we definitely got plenty of video as well. I hope you guys are staying productive, staying sane on your quarantine time. We're certainly taking it serious here at the UBT household, but we're going to be putting together some more videos. We got plenty coming on UBTK5. We got plenty coming for the special footage. But today we want to show you a little bit about Rusty Smith, my man who always has some really cool projects. We want to show you a little bit about his 1979 GMC Step van. We're going to show you some footage of it rolling into the shop. Yeah, maybe this is like a what's in my shop segment, but I'm going to show you a little bit of it rolling into the shop. He came by one day while we were actually about to take the body off the four-wheel drive K5 and put it on the two-wheel drive chassis. So he and his daughter came by, we took a look at it, got some footage of it, and then we've since got some pictures and some more information from him on the particular build. So I hope you guys love checking this thing out. Stick with me. I'll catch up with you here at the end. Dude, look at this thing. What's up, man?
How are you?
Golly. Remind me what this thing is again?
The 79 GMC Value Van 15.
Jeez.
Hey, good, how are you?
This thing is insane. Alright guys, so this is the Step van in its original form. I believe how Boris at Street Machinery found it. And then it made its way up to Rochester, Minnesota to Jim's Auto Care, where you can see he's completely redone the chassis. Small block 350, turbo 350. It's got extensive metalworks rear end. It's got a chopping block front cross member, Detroit steel wheel Delrays. It just looks really killer with that OG paint, light camel with the cool AC Delco striping and graphics still along the side. I mean, I think that's probably what makes this vehicle one of my favorite step vans I've ever seen. Got the cool patina and Chasten brand, one of the really well-known pinstripers in Georgia and in our area. Definitely pinstripe the hot seat really well, which is actually up near the console and in between those two front seats that you see that were done by Iron Ace hot rod seats. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at Rusty Smith's 79 GMC Step van. That thing oozes cool, and we'll probably do a full-blown video on this truck someday later on down the road, but we wanted to bring you this content right now while we could, just because we know you're probably sitting at home enjoying your quarantine time, trying to stay sane. So how about a little bit more truck footage? Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. Definitely smash the thumbs up button if you like what you've seen today, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite part of Rusty's 79 Step van is. We'll catch you next time right here on another episode of United by Trucks. Cue the music.